Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to clear your cache in Chrome. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to clear your cache in Chrome, all you got to do is simply tap on Chrome web browser. Once you're in your Chrome web browser, you need to tap on the three dots on the top right hand side of the corner and simply select delete browsing history or browsing data. Now you can simply choose on the tabs, like you can simply select the more options. You can simply select the time range, like all time, 15 minutes, last hour, or last 24 hours, and simply select your browsing history, cookies, your cached image and files, and simply tap on delete data. Once you simply do this, your data on your Chrome will be deleted, which will allow you to clear your cache in Chrome. You can also use the shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus Delete on Windows or Command plus Shift plus Delete in Mac to directly open the menu. So this is how you can simply do it. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.